Hey Scouts, it's Henry Cantwell and George Meredith here. We're doing a video on first aid, basic first aid. We got our med kit here, and we're going to go over how to treat basic injuries like minor burns and cuts and blisters.
These are the basic first aid requirements for Tenderfoot. I cut myself.
So for a small minor cut or scrape, you gotta wash the wound with soap and water and put on triple antibiotic ointment and put a band-aid on that and apply a little bit of pressure if you need, and then you're all done.
I wonder if my ravioli's ready.
Oh. Well, Scouts, when you're working with hot metal, you wanna use a glove or a pot holder. For a superficial burn, just get a cool compress or cold running water and keep it on here, and maybe use a little aloe vera gel.
I think I got a blister.
Alright, looks like Georgie has a bit of a blister, so we're going to use some moleskin, and we're going to cut a little piece that's a little bit bigger than his blister, and we're going to put it on there and just keep it on. And we can use more than one layer if we need to, but we probably won't. But Georgie, in the future, to prevent these blisters on your feet, make sure your socks are dry. And make sure you're broken in your shoes. You walked in them a little bit. And if you're working with your hands, like digging a hole, make sure you wear gloves and take breaks. For a non-venomous snake bite, treat like a puncture wound. Wash it out and maybe go see a doctor if you need to. But if you got a venomous snake bite, then you should wash it out and go to a doctor immediately. And keep the patient calm always. Look at this dead bee. Ow! 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 George, you got a bee sting. So what we're gonna do is get a flat surface like a credit card and just scrape the bee sting off. And make sure not to squeeze it with tweezers or anything, because then it could pump more venom in. So once the stinger's out, you gotta get an ice pack, put it on, and wash it, and you're done. And if any bad things happen, if you start to swell up, any allergic reactions, then you should go see a doctor immediately.
Every scout should have a personal
First aid kit.
You have latex-free gloves, triple antibiotic ointment, tweezers, scissors, moleskin, band-aids, soap and hand sanitizer, sunburn relief aloe vera gel, tape and gauze, and a notebook and a pencil. Well, are you choking, George? Alright, it looks like he's choking.
First, perform 5 quick blows to the back.
Alright, did it work? Okay, keep choking then. Okay, now, if none of that worked, then use the Heimlich maneuver. Do this and then go right under the ribcage and go. Okay, Georgie, pinch your nose at the bridge and lean forward. So doing this prevents the blood from going down your throat and drowning yourself in your own blood. So just keep doing that, and maybe you'll have an ice pack handy, who knows? I tasted that. I tasted that. I didn't even get any. To treat sunburn, you can use a cool damp cloth and even some aloe vera gel. And in the future, just wear sunscreen.
sweat. I'm cold.
To treat frostbite, get the victim inside fast and cover them with blankets and coats. Don't give them any warm baths. Give them cold baths and work your way up in temperature.
Okay.
I think that's a blooper. I think that's a blooper.